Shalom Akim, giving all praise to Yahweh, Ba'ashem, Yahushua, Ba'ashem, Ba'chakadash. That being the name of our Father through His Son, all honor be to Him. Salutation, double honors to the elders, GMS who rule well, who taught us this truth. And salutation, meaning peace to you brothers out there through the four corners of the world pushing this truth with sincerity, risking your freedom and your life to do so. Now, I don't know if you brothers know, but it's a Russian boxer. He could be an Edomite, could be a Jake, but pretty much the theme of this story is the fact that the guy by the name Maxim Dadashev, tragic death should be accepted as boxer's cruel reality. Now, the point I just wanted to get from this is this man died after blows in a ring. You know, his dedication to the sport, his love for the sport, ultimately got him killed. But it was his faith in himself and his determination that made him an honorable man within the boxing world. You can consider him a martyr, you know? So I'm going to get the first scripture. And this is how brothers supposed to be spiritually. 1 Timothy 6 verse 12. Fight the good fight of faith. Lay hold on eternal life. Now what I wanted was fight the good fight of faith. Because in a good fight, you punch, you take shots, you might be down, you know, you might be going through a hard time. You know, you might have to take a break, go in the corner, take a deep breath, and hear the words of advisement from the coach, i.e. the elders or the other brothers. And you get back up to fight. You see? So fight the good fight of faith. Because a lot of things when you come in the truth is going to be thrown at you. You're going to go through a lot of problems. You're going to go through a lot of tribulation, a lot of loss, a lot of pain, a lot of hard blows, a lot of low blows, if you will. And it's true when you serve the Lord. You see? Scripture say, prepare thy soul for temptation. But I read it again, 1 Timothy 6 and 12. Fight the good fight of faith. Lay hold on eternal life, whereunto thou art also called, and hast professed a good profession before many witnesses. You see? So what we do is a fight. It's a fight. It's a fight. It's a fight. And you know, not to harp on the situation of him dying, because you know it's a fucked up situation. But spiritually looking at this from the outside, spiritually, it's like this man risked his life and his freedom. I mean, his life on the line in a fight, in a good fight, and it cost him his life. And it's not to discourage brothers, but to exalt brothers, to fight a good fight. Take a blow, okay, but get back up. And if you have to die, so what? This is Ecclesiasticus, other words known as Sirach 4:28. Strive for the truth unto death, and the Lord shall fight for thee. Okay? So, though he died, and men in his truth will die, he supposed to fight for the word, fight for the Lord, fight for the love of the Lord, fight for the love of the brotherhood, and the commandments, and the teachings unto death. And the Lord, Yahweh Shemel shall fight for thee. Okay? It said, then answered he me, this is 2 Ezra 7 verse 57. Then answered he me, and said, this is the condition of the battle, which man has put upon earth shall fight. So then again, there's the word fight coming up, because life in itself is a fight. Serving the Lord is a fight, okay? But you gotta fight a good fight with faith. Verse 58, that if he be overcome, he shall suffer as thou hast said, right? Because if you lose this fight, you're gonna suffer worse, their judgment. But if he get the victory, he shall receive the thing as I have said, which is eternal life, glory, the kingdom of heaven, okay? Fame, peace, tranquility. So that's what we fight. And the fight could result in death. We have to fight a good fight of faith. This is Job 2:10. But he said unto her, Thou speakest as the foolish woman speaketh. What? Shall we receive good at the hand of God, and shall we not receive evil? And all this did not Job sin with his lips, because the Lord put hell on Job, where it was to try him, it was to see where his heart was. And Job never cursed the Lord. Job never talked back to the Lord. Job never denied the capability of the Lord to save him. He never denied the Lord, but he glorified the Lord and dealt with the punishment or dealt with the tribulation that was sent to him from the Heavenly Father. Job, in other words, not as this man, but spiritually was like this, almost to death. He fought almost to death, but the Lord saved him and replenished him more than the last. So brothers got to fight like how Job fought. And I'll read that again. What? Shall we receive good at the hand of the Most High? And shall we not receive evil? Right? Because the Lord does both good and evil. And he's going to challenge both. Not only receive the good, but receive bad times too. But yeah, man. It's just an example. Boxer was up and coming. And it took one fight. But he fought hard. He gave it his all. To the 11th round, he stopped the fight. But spiritually, you have to be on the same spirit. Fight the good fight of faith. You see? So with that, I want to give all praise to Yahweh. Bashim El Shah, Bashim El Kakadash, the honors to the elders of GMS. Salutations to you, brothers. Till next time. Shalom.